can you match this?
Definitely.
Mira, ¿tú puedes machar esto?
Por supuesto.
Can you match this color for me, please?
Yes, we can.
Hello, I just got a job that I need to make a repair on, so I've cut the piece off. Do you think you can match this for me?
Sure.
Here's your sample, sir. All right, thank you. Oh, this is perfect. Very nice. Perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay.
Aquí tenemos tu color.
Ok. Perfecto. Perfecto. La luz. Perfecto. Haceme 2 tanquetas.
Thank you. Wow, this came out awesome. But just out of curiosity, can you guys make this a little lighter or a little darker?
Well, here at Firenze, our color is not only color matched, but we can tweak various different colors.